go, let's try something. Would you be impressed if I could make a coin appear at my fingertips? You ready? There we go. I didn't say which fingertips, did I? But it's not just any coin, it's a magic coin. I'll show you what I mean. That you put it in there like that and you rub it, it disappears and comes back over there. I'll show you that again. Look, take a coin and we wave it up and down like that and suddenly it jumps into the hand there. Now, I'll take that coin, look, we're going to put him in my pocket and there it goes. But if you just rub, he pops back out again. If you take your silver coin and you give it a little rub like that, you see it turns into a copper coin. That's how big pennies were when I was a kid. That's why we didn't eat many sweets. We couldn't carry more than about 2. But yeah, but you probably noticed, we've actually got 2 coins. So we've got 2 coins. We've got a silver and a copper. Now I'll try to change places. Remember, the silver's in the left, the copper's in the right. You ready? Did you catch that? Oh, I've used a bit too much magic. There's probably a guy in China now wondering where his coins have gone. Do you know why Chinese coins have got holes in, by the way? It's for Peking. Thank you very much. That's my joke of the day. But these are magic Chinese coins, remember. Watch, if I take them and put them in my hand like that, and I squeeze them really, really tight, and then really warm them up in this hand here, I can just blow and they disappear. Thank you very much.